If your vehicle was built in the last several years, it's likely equipped with something called ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. These are the safety features working quietly in the background every time you drive. Things like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring, they're designed to help protect you and your family. But here's what many drivers don't realize. These systems rely on cameras and sensors that must be precisely aligned to your vehicle. Even a small change, such as a suspension repair, an alignment, or even hitting a curb can shift these sensors out of alignment. And when that happens, your safety systems may not work the way they're supposed to. That's where ADAS calibration comes in. Calibration ensures your vehicle's cameras and radar systems are properly aimed and communicating accurately, so when your car needs to react, it reacts correctly. It's not an upgrade, it's not an add-on. It's restoring your vehicle's safety system to manufacturer standards. When your shop recommends ADAS calibration, it's not about adding a service. It's about making sure the systems designed to protect you are actually ready to do their job. If you've recently had repairs or an alignment, ask your service advisor if ADAS calibration is needed for your vehicle. Your safety systems can only protect you if they're properly calibrated. AUTEL, supporting shops with the technology to keep drivers safe.